Would you sit here the entire time and listen to me speak if I looked like this on the video? Well, maybe you would, because some people like my voice, but ultimately, no, you should. But I bet you might stay a little bit longer if you see me looking like this. Lighting. Today's detail is all about lighting. You want to make sure, whether it's one light, two lights, natural light, five lights, you want to make sure that your lighting is 100% because it is the number one friend of your camera, right? We walk around, I've talked about it in other videos, you've got some amazingly powerful cameras inside of your pocket, but the thing that really pushes them over the levels of even our expectations is how you utilize lighting. There's plenty and plenty and plenty of resources here on YouTube about lighting, but I just wanted to put you in the right direction. If you want to take your content to a new level, then you want to find lighting and you want to learn about it. You want to learn about fill lights, face lights, hair lights, how background lighting will allow you to remove yourself and add depth of field even if you're in a small space. Would you believe that the room that I'm in right now is really only maybe a 12 by 10? It's not that large of a room, but the way that I have done the studies and learned on how to utilize my lighting properly, reflecting it off of the wall, some of the light is hitting me directly, all kinds of things. Surf the web, utilize your YouTube University, as I love to call it, and find out about lighting. That is our first Detail with Dev. Have a great day. Peace.